Hello everyone, Jennifer L. Scott here, and I'm so pleased to announce that my new book, The Daily Connoisseur's Guide to Living Well at Home, is finally here. It's out today, published by Hoffman Media and 83 Press. You can find it wherever books are sold. So my new book is about living well at home, which is my favorite subject. I'm so passionate about it. I think that when you set yourself up for a beautiful life at home, it can only improve the rest of your life. So the book is organized into 3 parts. The first part is function. This deals with the mechanics of living well at home, the method and the order, the cleaning routines, the cooking, and everything that goes into running a beautiful home. Part 2 is all about beauty, the aesthetics of not only decorating your home, but also how you exist in your home. So dressing well, dining well, high quality leisure, all of these beautiful home pursuits. And part 3 is on inspiration. So if you're familiar with my work, you know I took a lot of inspiration from my time in Paris, but there are so many other cultures, different countries that have inspired me with their traditions, and so I bring all of those into part 3 of this book. As I mentioned, the book is published by Hoffman Media and 83 Press, and it has been so beautifully produced. The artwork is by my dear friend Alice Tate. She is a UK-based illustrator, and she has turned this book into a work of art. The cover is gorgeous. The interior is so beautiful with all of her illustrations, and the team at 83 Press have put it all together in such a way that it is a little jewel box. I mean, it's gorgeous. You're going to want to have it on your coffee table, trust me. So this is my 6th book, and this is my first time working with Hoffman Media, and I have to say that out of all the experiences that I've had in publishing, this is the first time where it truly has felt like a collaborative effort on every level. I was able to put my input in for the entire process, and that's why I feel like this book, out of all the ones I've written, has the most of me in it. And you know that Hoffman Media produced Victoria Magazine, Tea Time Magazine, so everything they do is just first rate, and I am so delighted to be aligned with them on this book. And finally, I don't know why I'm holding the book like this, but I just love it so much, I have to hold it by my head. Finally, I just want to say, if you have followed my career, you know how much rejection and resistance I have received. And that wasn't just at the beginning of my career, it has still happened recently. So I just want to say that when I brought the subject of this book to some of the bigger publishing houses, let's just say that, it was met with resistance, and they tell us that this subject does not resonate with people anymore. When I would hear that, I would get so fired up because I'm thinking, oh no, no, no. You don't know the Daily Connoisseur audience. We care about beautiful living, elegant living, time-honored traditions, the domestic arts. We care because this is not irrelevant. This is actually incredibly relevant. And living well at home is something that anybody can do on any budget. It can strengthen your family life. It can be passed down for generations to come, and it is a highly relevant topic. So I just want to say that I got so fired up during that experience because I am over people telling me that this doesn't matter, because it does. And they don't tell us what resonates, we tell them. And you can do that by reviewing the book. If you love it, please leave a review online. Share it on social media. Share it with your friends. You could buy it as a Christmas gift for people. Let's tell the world that we do care about these topics, about living well and beautifully at home. And that's why I was so happy to align with Hoffman Media. They get it. Like, they get the assignment. They know that beautiful living is highly relevant. And not only that, but so critical for us to keep up and maintain for future generations. So I'd like to end by thanking Hoffman Media. I would also like to thank my agent, Erica Silverman, and the entire team at Trident Media Group. I love you, and I know that they care about these subjects too. So let's all rally together, everyone, and I want to thank you so much for your support of my new book. So in the meantime, keep calm, remain classy, and happy reading, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Thank you.